I'm kind of running short on time, so you're going to have to hear from me in my pajamas just out of bed. Regarding my wound down there, I know the picture I showed you looked super duper nasty. Unfortunately, right after I got the injury, I doused it with dermoplast, which I happen to be very allergic to. And the inflammation that you are seeing in that picture, which was pretty soon after the injury, was the allergic inflammatory response. Yeah, I doused it with so much dermoplast that my legs swelled up immediately. That is not caused by infection. That's caused by allergy. Yeah. I believe one of the reasons the automatons brain controlled me into doing so is they obviously knew the dermoplast was something I'd be allergic to. They brain controlled me into doing that. Brent has had me on my doctor husband lives in this apartment with me. He's had me on corticosteroids. From what I understand, he did do a type of knee replacement surgery, and he replaced the synovial fluid with Zach Knight's semen. Zach Knight has semen which is the perfect antibiotic. It kills every known germ in existence. Yeah. Besides, some of you were concerned that I was in danger of sepsis. If I was in danger of sepsis, my husband Brent would not have me on corticosteroids. Believe me. Yeah. Because corticosteroids shuts down your immune system, okay? So no, what you're seeing is allergic inflammation, okay? Yeah, the corticosteroids also is causing the area around the ankle area to get blue, and it looks really nasty. And trying to remove the allergens from the wound has caused my leg and ankles to swell up. So we're dealing with an allergy, a wound, an injury complicated by allergy, okay? But it's gradually getting better. Unfortunately, when you put as much of an allergen into a deep open wound like I did, it could take up to a month before you can clear the allergen out of the tissue. But with Zach Knight's semen in there as synovial fluid, I don't think I have to worry about. And you might say, the pus, that's an infection. The pus can also happen because of allergic inflammation too. Yeah. I mean, why do people get runny noses when they have allergies? That's pus, right? Yeah. So, yeah. It's gradually getting better. I mean, I'm not thrilled about the fact that I drowned it with... It's a miracle that it's not doing worse than it is. I've got it. My doctor husband probably has an IQ near 1 trillion right now because they can't measure it. His IQ on the machine, it breaks the machine. Same with mine. So, yeah, if he can't fix this, nobody can. That's how I feel. Besides, the Gail shield was at 93% yesterday morning after I made my video. It went down to about 80 when we got a letter from Virginia Opossum during the hangout. And also when we got the letter from the Indian guy who I believe is evil. There's an old saying by a Dr. Bob Jones Sr. I don't agree with him with everything, but he was a wise old man. He said, beware of unreasonable men. Good men are always reasonable. These Indian leaders are very unreasonable. So they're evil. Write it down. So the only thing is, maybe he doesn't mean to do this, but he's kind of dropping us clues what the enemy's up to. Virginia got kidnapped a little over a week ago, Virginia Opossum, and she's apparently in existence in another timeline. That we just received, during our hangout last night, we received a letter from her, which to me appears to be a fake letter or a lying letter. I'm not saying she didn't write it. She might have written it, or it could have been her clone. I don't know. But the letter strikes me as, and when we received the letter, the Gail shield went down to 72%. So Jesus apparently wants us to get on, to try to have a strategy to deal with this problem. Here's what I think is going on. You might say, what was in the letter? for security reasons, I do not want to read the letter, but I will give you some things that were in there. She was claiming that she was drowning in pee, I think, and that at the Indian temples they were worshiping images of me. Lightning bolts and sling stones, and all willing and knowing brain control supporters at all Indian temples everywhere in the world, take them all out. Lightning bolts and sling stones, and all images or statues made of me or of Brent, take them all out at all the Indian temples or anywhere in the world. Lightning bolts and sling stones, and all billboards or images that could be used to cause brain switch outs or that could harm those who view it, take them all out. I've been doing that. At first I was telling my men, destroy all the statues and images of me, because I suspect that they've got technology embedded into them which could harm those that are near them. That letter that we got from the Indian guy, according to Magnus, he is, I asked if he was a willing and knowing brain control supporter. Magnus said he didn't know. He's apparently legit. He is who he claims to be. He's obviously evil. He's given us a bunch of crap. Beware of unreasonable men. Good men are always reasonable. He's not being reasonable. He's being cuckoo. He's either retarded or he's evil, or both. Yeah. So I'm going to move on. I already dealt with that letter yesterday. Here's what I think the problem is. Okay, they've got Virginia as a captive right now. And judging by the communications that we've gotten from the enemy in the past 24 hours or so, here's what I think they are up to. I think that they're planning on using Virginia to do something that could be very bad for planet Earth. Let me see if I can get this. I'll read parts of the letter to you, but not all of it. For security reasons, I do not want to read the entire letter. Okay. I was ejaculated into a sea of warm yellow liquid. In the first, in a letter that we got from her, she claimed that the Indians were doing some weird version of the Indian Gail commandments. Yeah, because we told them not to have their garbage mountains, and to create a hole in the ground and everything and deal with their garbage. And they came up with something really weird, which resulted in some sort of nuclear explosion full of pee. So I was ejaculated into a sea of warm yellow liquid, the smell of ammonia invading my lungs. I simultaneously coughed and gagged at the realization of what I had landed in. I swam to the only solid surface in sight, a half-submerged iceberg of concrete sinking a little deeper every few seconds. The searing pain echoed through every bone in my body with every move I make. Now, you might say, do you think this really happened? My gut feeling is that they are lying. Yeah. Besides, even if it's true, what can we do? How do we go? Never mind. I dragged myself on, trembling, barely conscious. My body feels like shattered glass held together. Okay, okay. Okay, here we go. Let me skip. Okay. Held together by skin, a surface of diluted urine stretches as far as the eye can see. The tops of sky, now the Gail Schuler went down to 72% when we got this letter. The tops of skyscrapers poked through the surface like an old abandoned graveyard. The sky is white, burned by chemicals. What is this, some sort of urine holocaust? The air tastes acidic. Every few seconds, another structure disappears beneath the golden sea with a soft, sickening gulp. Huh? A skyscraper disappears underneath a sea of urine? A sign just floated past, half-submerged, reading, United States Geological Survey Field Station closed due to global P level rise. Global P... Okay, now I'm going to tell you what I think they're up to. You say, is that really happening? This is another timeline. Apparently, this is what Satan wants to happen, okay? This is what Satan wants to happen. Here's what I think they are up to. You Indians out there, I don't give a flip if you're going to get mad at me. Lightning bolts and slingstones and all willing and knowing brain control supporters and all Indian temples all over the world. Take them all out. Lightning bolts and slingstones and all statues and images made of Brent or me. Any images, statues, anything that has bad technology in it, take them all out. I don't know, it's worth a shot. What's good about my lightning bolt powers is that I can take those things out without the harm that would come if we launched a literal bomb on them. See, the problem that we have if we launch a bomb like on a compassion center or on one of these temples is that they could have like a bomb planted inside of there, okay? And if we launch a bomb, it could ignite their bomb, and then it could be bad. But my lightning bolts are smart lightning bolts, okay? They're like an extension of the Gail shield, and they will work safely. So I'm using them. But I wanted to make this message, to make it plain, that if they use Virginia opossum to try and launch a nuclear pea holocaust, which is what I think they're up to, that we have nothing to do with it. Okay? It's not our idea. It's not our fault she got captured. We didn't want her to be captured. We want her to be safe and sound. All the stuff she did in the past, where she launched bombs, was self-defense. Okay? She's been suffering from PTSD. But here's what I think they're up to. I think they're going to try to use Virginia as their patsy and probably working through one of these Indian temples. I'm telling you, it is death penalty to willingly and knowingly put up an image of me or Brent to worship as a deity anywhere. Okay? Lightning bolts and slingstones on anybody who willingly and knowingly puts up an image of me or Brent as a deity anywhere in the world. Take them all out. If they do it with the intent to support the brain control supporters. Yeah, you know what I think they're up to? They're going to use this to start a nuclear holocaust on the whole stinking planet. Sorry, I'm just not going to sit by and let you dumbbells do this to yourself. I don't need to be worshipped. Neither does Brent, okay? We just want you to just do the Indian Gail commandments to keep yourself healthy. But don't make a cult out of it. All right? All right, that's all I wanted to say. We're going to do our best to try to rescue Virginia. It's not an easy task. We're dealing with quite advanced technology and a dirty, tricky enemy. But I would like to say right now, if they try to use Virginia to launch some sort of a holocaust on the planet, I am doing my best to prevent it, and we have nothing to do with it. And now I'm going to go for my Gail commandment walk, get the blood circulating around that knee so we can help get rid of the allergen and all that tissue. Oh yeah, my ankle swelled up yesterday. It's from allergy, you guys. Jesus doesn't seem worried about this injury. He does seem worried about what's going on with Virginia and these temples and these statues. Okay? Yeah. I'm going to keep shooting lightning bolts at them all day. If you put them back up, I'm going to destroy them if I can. Yeah. All day. You're not going to launch a nuclear pea holocaust on this planet and blame it on me and my men. We would never be involved with such an abomination. Okay. Have a nice day, everybody. And don't be a retard. Take down all the statues of me and my men. If not, I will continue shooting lightning bolts at them all day. I hope they burn to smithereens and never come back.
In a world of secrets, where darkness reigns.